There are many ways to create an image with transparent background. You can either remove the background from the picture or extract the image from the background. In one of my videos in my YouTube channel, I have shown how you can change background of your picture by first removing the background from the picture. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to extract the image of your picture from the background of the picture. When this is done, the image will automatically have transparent background. I will be using an app called Paint 3D, which comes with Windows 10. If you are not using Windows 10, then you can download the app here by using the link I put in the description below and then install it. My name is Titocan and this is Titocan Mac Solutions, a YouTube channel for improving the knowledge of how to do things. Without further ado, let's get started. At the taskbar, put your cursor on the search column and type Paint 3D like this, and immediately the Paint 3D app pops up as the best match. Then click on the app to open it. This is the Paint 3D user interface. Now I will click on the new to open an empty canvas like this. As you can see, this space is empty, and what I will do now is load my picture into this space. To do that, I will click on the menu to open the menu options. From the options, I click on Browse Files to bring up the open dialog box like this. From this open dialog box, I will navigate to where my picture is like this. Then, I will select my picture by clicking on it. And then, I click Open to load my picture into the empty canvas like this. This is the point where I can begin the image extraction process. Now, to extract the image from this picture, I will go to the Magic Select at the toolbar and click on it. And this immediately highlights the picture with a blue box. The next step is to choose an area to cut out from this picture. And to do this, I will place my cursor at the sides of the blue box to drag the canvas towards the image as closely as possible. That is, I will drag from the right, from the left, and from the top. I will not drag from the bottom because doing that will cut out part of the image. Like this, I have indicated to the app to focus on my image alone. Then click on Next, and immediately the image to be extracted is surrounded by an outline, as you can see, indicating the areas of focus to be extracted. At this point, you should examine the outline critically to ensure important portions of the image are preserved within the outline area. If unwanted elements are included inside the outline area, select the Remove icon and use the cursor to mark the unwanted areas in order to remove them from the image. Luckily, this image does not have unwanted elements. On the other hand, if there is an element that is to be included in the image but is outlined to be cut out like the wristwatch in this image, you can select the Add icon and then use the cursor to mark the area like this, and immediately you remove your hand from the mouse, that wristwatch element is added to the image as you can see. Now, I click on Done, and this takes me to the transparent page. This image is now extracted from the background and is completely transparent. You can click on the image and move it around like this. You can see it is the image alone that was moving. That means it is extracted completely and is transparent. You can copy this image at this point and paste it directly to anywhere you like to use it. But it's important to use a saved copy. Now, let's copy this image. To do that, right-click on the transparent image and from the drop-down options, click Copy. The next step is to open a new canvas. To do that, click on Menu at the top left corner, and from the menu options, click on New, and immediately this dialog box pops up. Then click on Don't Save to open a new canvas like this. Now click on Paste at the upper right corner to paste the transparent image I had copied to the clipboard. Now readjust the image by resizing it to fit into the canvas space like this. As you can see, the transparent image has wide margin to the left and to the right. And if you have to save the image this way, it will look like this. To save the image in this landscape size is not too good and not professional too, since you might be using the transparent image elsewhere. But to save the image to this portrait size is good and very professional. So let me quickly show you how you can save this image to a portrait size. Now, go to the toolbar and click on Canvas like this. And this immediately highlights the canvas at both the edges and sides. Now, put your cursor on either side of the canvas and drag it towards the image as closely as possible like this to reduce the size of the canvas and eliminate the wide margin. Then centralize the image inside the new canvas space like this. Now, let's save this image to a particular picture format. To do this, click on Menu, and from the drop-down options, click on Save As. Then click on Image to open the page where you can save this transparent image. On this page, click on the box for Save As type to unveil the different picture formats. You can select any format here. But for this tutorial, I will leave it at the default PNG format. Tick the transparency box to make the image visually transparent like this. Now, click on the Save button. Choose your location to save the file. Give the file a name, and finally, click on Save. This is the saved image with transparent background in portrait size. But if you compare between the two, you will see that this portrait size is better than the landscape size for this image. You cannot take this transparent image and use it anywhere possible. For this tutorial, I decided to use the transparent image in a flyer like this, in a room like this, and in front of a car in a house like this. All I did was copy the transparent image and paste it where I wanted it to be. Thanks for staying with me to this end, and I hope this video was useful to you. Give this content a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to be notified when I publish new and useful contents. Subscription is free. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you again in my next video.